Hello, good morning, and warm welcome to your decoding of the Economic Times newspaper. Today, the article that we are going to decode is on the ET Markets page, and it is called Investors Shift Bets from IT to Bank Stocks. So, investors have gone out of the IT stocks, technology stocks. IT is information technology, the tech stocks, and they've moved to banking stocks. So, let's read from here. Let's begin. While you guys are joining, keep acknowledging that you are here, acknowledge your presence so that each woman around knows you're committed to wealth creation. Let's encourage each other with each other's presence. That's the minimum we can do. Yes, Raji, good morning. Welcome. Hey, Abha, good morning. Warm welcome. So I'm reading as I'm going and you guys keep acknowledging your presence. So investors are shifting bets to banking stocks from the underperforming IT counters as the street expects Indian lenders to benefit from the economic recovery. In contrast, IT stocks are seen set for derating, led by concerns over a US downturn that has prompted analysts to cut growth estimates. So, IT stocks going down, economic recovery helping banks, people shifting to banks. IT stocks going down is also because of the US downturn. So all these are the reasons. So it's saying so far in 2022, which is this year, Nifty IT index. The Nifty IT index is group of stocks put together, IT stocks put together. So in Nifty, when IT stocks, the group of IT stocks is put together, it's called the Nifty IT index. Now, Nifty IT index declined by 28%. Nifty Bank gained 16%. And this is to an all-time high on Thursday. Nifty has risen 3% in the period and is about 4% away from the all-time high. So, in IT, what are those concerns which are moving about? They are US recession and continued interest rate hikes. They are soaring the sentiments. Okay. Now, Nifty IT index surged 60% in 2021 and Nifty Bank gained only 13%. Now, that was 2021, but the story in 2022 is very different. In 2022, IT has gone down, banks have gone up, and people are now moving further into banks because economic recovery is going to help. So Gautam Duggar, who is head of research in Motilal Oswal Financial Services, is saying that the banking sector that is seeing good interest after an underperformance in the past 2-3 years. So banks underperformed 2-3 years. And now interest is coming to banks. Robust earnings growth coupled with improving credit growth and cleanup of asset quality along with reasonable valuations. So banks are available at reasonable valuations. People are shifting to banks, coming out of IT. Coming out of IT also because US is a big market for IT and there is recession being talked about there. So now top 5 IT stocks in this newspaper that's written where the companies have so far in 2022 gone down. The stocks have gone down. TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL Tech and Tech Mahindra. So these are some of the companies where the stocks have gone down, the stock prices have gone down, the companies in which stock prices have gone down, while the top 5 banks, their stocks have gained 3 to 24%. So 16 to 40% is the drop in IT stocks. 3 to 24% in the same period of 2022 is what happened with banking. So credit growth is picking up. Asset quality issues are behind us. It's time for banks to play catch up. So banks Gaurav Dua, who is head of capital market strategy Sherkha, is saying that it is time for banks to play catch up. So banks are expected to rise further. He's saying we expect banks to lead the next leg of the rally along with auto and engineering sectors. So banks first, then auto and then engineering sectors. Now you got to start thinking, does your portfolio need to change? Do you need to allocate more to banks and finance sector to take advantage of this opportunity? Where does your portfolio need to be now? If you're investing in mutual funds and stocks, how are you going to use this information? Is there a change in your action plan that needs to come with regard to your investments? So what needs to really happen? That's what you need to answer. So start typing, guys. What are you getting? What are you understanding? How can you use this information for your portfolio building? Hi Ishita, Shruti, Sneha, Kaveri, Seema, Diksha, Hinal. Good morning everyone. Warm welcome. Warm welcome. Start typing. How can you use this information? Would you change the allocation to banks? Would you want to kind of try on from what these experts are saying? Okay, Seema is saying I will look at the asset allocation in my portfolio. What is asset allocation, guys? Diversification. So sectoral diversification. Like in banks and finance, say you have 2 companies, but the diversification is an X amount. Now, given this information, you want to make it X plus Y. So that's what Seema is talking about, that I will look at the diversification, sectoral diversification in my portfolio, and I will revise. Right? So she is going to take some action on it. But this is only for people who have picked good quality stocks. Now, if you have not picked good quality stocks, you've just picked random stocks, even if you increase the allocation of your banks and finance, it's not going to help much. So good quality stocks is at the base of everything. And then you can actually work on diversification, or we call it asset allocation and more. Hi Monica, good to see you after a very long time. Welcome. So guys, you need to really use this in your portfolios. You've all done the stocks course with us. You've picked good quality stocks. You've done the Money Gym program. You've learned all about investment portfolio building, financial planning, mutual funds. So now use this information wisely. That's what you need to do. Kaveri is saying, I'm happy with my allocation and diversification. I don't plan to keep tweaking. I want to sit put. Sure. Got that, Kaveri. Shruti, I guess people should start investing in Indian stocks. Yes. Actually, that's happening already. There are so many NRIs in our community, Shruti, and they are investing. Yeah? They are investing in Indian stocks. Ishita is saying, insightful. Stick to good companies. Wait and watch how low the IT stocks will go down. I would not put more money in IT right now. We'll wait for the real sale in IT. You know what I mean by sale. Yes. So Ishita is going to sit tight. She's saying wait for the IT companies to go further down, and on more dips she's going to buy IT companies. And for now she's saying she's going to stick to good companies, and yes, good allocation is the key. Got it, Ishita? Love it. Abha is saying, well, what has resulted for me is that same amount is buying lesser amount of banking stocks but more of tech stocks. but overall allocation remains the same. Yes, Abha, you're bringing another perspective, which is brilliant. That yeah, if you keep the allocation equal, you'll have more of tech stocks, less of banking, and maybe you can keep persisting like that. Hinal, but if these any IT companies had performed good in last years, so is it a good time to buy their stocks as their price is low? Yes. Averaging out the buying price as they're going down. And who knows what's that rock bottom? We don't know. Maybe it's right now what the price is, and maybe it's going further down. I don't know. Only the time will tell that. Ishita, as far as mutual funds are concerned, trust your fund managers. Got it, guys. Got it. Thank you so much. I invite all of you to share this video, please. Please share it with people in your life. We don't know who will benefit. So go ahead, share, and let's then move forward in helping women go beyond their limitations around finances. Helping women truly take charge. So yeah, go ahead, please share the video, and I'm right here waiting for you guys to share that you've done your bit. Yeah, I'm loving all the thumbs up and all the love that's coming my way. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Hinal has shared the video. She's the first one to say shared. Got it, Hinal. Thank you so much. It's only us women, I truly feel, who are going to move other women forward. If men could move women forward in the area of wealth creation, trust you me, a lot would have happened by now. So yeah, got it. Thank you, Hinal. What about others? Manika has shared. Manika is coming to the live after a very long time, or maybe she's said hi, good morning after a very long time. So thank you, Manika, for coming after long, or at least saying hello after long and sharing the video here. Means the world to me. Thank you. On this note, guys, closing the live, thank you for participating. Thank you for coming. Keep coming for your financial growth. Know that I am a stand, and the entire Women on Wealth team and the community is a stand, that you will grow towards your critical financial goals. Take charge, stay safe, and I see you again now on Monday for the Wake Up Women series, where we have another woman coming in to wake you up to your finances, because she's woken up to her finances. And today at 2:30 p.m. we meet for Ask Me Anything series on Instagram. Loads of love, take charge, stay safe, bye-bye.